Greetings folks, William Caleb back at you again with another video, and of course today we're going to talk about how to make money online. That's what we always do here, mostly on this channel. We give you ways to make money online. We help you get the mindset right. We give you the tools. We have lots of recommendations and full disclosure. All the making money online recommendations that I have, whether it be a tool, a software, or an opportunity, these are all things you do have to use, which means it's going to take your individual effort. So I cannot promise or guarantee that you're rich. Most people who try to make money online fail miserably, just straight up. Just being honest. However, with me, I'm going to show you the methods, the ways, the resources to not only just get started and make a profit, but to even make a living. So, what is the things you need to make money online? Well, you need an offer or some type of product that people want. That's one. And you need a way to get the people to the product. That's something else you need. We would consider that the realm of marketing and advertising, the way you're going to get people to the product. And then three, we need something that's going to sell the product, such as a web page or some sort of selling mechanism. That's what we're going to go over today. Today, I'm going to show you products that sell. These products are actually in the internet marketing space. It's for you if you've been trying to learn this whole internet marketing thing, trying to make money online. Well, what I'm going to offer you today is not just one product. I'm actually going to offer you a whole suite of products at a major bargain. So let's see what we're talking about here. Let's take a look. If we head on over to 89.easymoneysite.info, you'll come to a page that looks like this. It's the greatest collection ever put together of fully unrestricted private label rights that you can grab right now. You can download this right now. These are 89 of the hottest unrestricted private label rights products. Now, what do we mean by private label rights? It simply means these are products that you can take and put your name on it as the author and producer. You can do any edits you want to these products, and you can charge whatever you want to charge. That's right. This is 89 digital products, full source codes, all the web pages, and of course, I include instructions on how to upload this to your web server. A lot of you guys do know how to do some of these things, but for those of you who don't, I have provided clear instructions, and I'll also install it for you if you contact me. Just contact me after you've purchased. Go ahead and contact me and we'll discuss me getting it all set up for you. Now let's go ahead and just look at some of the products. You know, if you paid $10 for each of these 89 products, you already know that's $890 right there. Even if you only paid $5 for each product, well, that's still $445 there alone. That's showing you the price, the value from $445 to $890. That's if you paid as much as $10 per each of the 89 products. But you're not going to pay that. You won't pay anywhere near that amount. Plus, I got a special bonus. And we're going to take a look at that. Just want you to get a glance at some of these private label right products. You receive the no restriction product. This ebook, you get the Word document files, you'll get the full source code, you'll be able to put your name, your picture on the sales page, it'll be as if you created the product yourself. That's the whole purpose of private label rights products. Now let me tell you folks, these are some really great products. And as I said at the beginning, they're in the internet marketing niche. So they're going to cover all kinds of different things dealing with internet marketing. Now, not only could you sell each one of these for however you want, however much money you want. Let's take, for example, okay? Let's take the Unlimited Customers Gold Mine. You could take this ebook right now, you could put it up in other ebook marketplaces or sell it on a standalone website of your own that I can install for you once you've purchased the package, of course. We would discuss that after you've purchased. And you can charge whatever you want. You could sell this book for $97 if you choose. You can sell it for $7 if you choose. You can sell it for 7 cents if you choose. It's all up to you. And you know what? You keep all the profits. How awesome is that? Look at all of these great products that you're about to own and have your name on as the author. Doesn't get any better than this, folks. This is 89 private label rights products. Now, I want to tell you, I discussed a bonus, I hinted at a bonus, and I really want you to know what that bonus is. Well, not only are you getting all of these 89 products that you can sell for each one for however price you want, but you will also get, if you come on in and purchase today, you'll also get a copy of this exact same page. Do you get what I'm saying? Do you get the bonus? You'll be able to promote all of these 89 awesome products at the same time from one place. You're going to get a page very similar to this that showcases all the 89 products. That's it, folks. That's what we got over at 89.easymoneysite.info. You know, when I first started online, when I saw this ad. I was doing a Google search. I wasn't searching for how to make money online. I was doing some other search and I just saw this ad on the side. And it said, you know, you can make some extra money by promoting our product and we'll just split the profits with you. That's internet marketing, affiliate marketing. That's the affiliate marketing subspace of internet marketing. Affiliate marketing is so cool. And you know, so I was real excited. I say, what? I ain't got to make a product. I don't have to pay them up front for nothing. All they going to do is just give me a link and I can just promote it. If I make some sales, they'll cut me a check for a certain percentage. Wouldn't you know, I made a few sales. I was just so hyped. I did whatever. Did offline tactics. Was on forums telling people about the product, using my link. And I actually made some sales. I was hooked. But you know what's one step better? When you can get 100% commissions of the sale and it has your name and picture as the author. You are now the copyright. That's awesome. 89.easymoneysite.info, folks. I really want you to come on up. I really want you to come here so you can get not only all 89 of these PLL products, but this whole page itself. Very, very low cost. Now, are you ready for the cost? This is what it currently is. I can't promise it's going to be this all the time, so here it, boom! There you go, folks. 89.easymoneysite.info. This is William Caleb once again saying peace and light. everything's gonna be all right.